You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change the phone number associated with your iPhone for calls and IMSAG. First, you need a new active SIM card from your carrier or an eSIM plan. Insert the new SIM card or go to Settings, then Cellular, then add eSIM to set up a digital SIM. Your carrier may provide a QR code too. Scan. Once the new line is active, update your number in IMSAG and FaceTime. Go to Settings, then Messages. Tap Send and Receive. Under You can be reached by IMSAG at. Tap Add another email, and ensure your new phone number is listed and checked. Do the same in Settings, then FaceTime. Next, update your Apple ID contact number. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then Name, Phone Numbers, Email. Tap Edit next to Reachable at and update your trusted phone number. You will need to verify the new number with a code. Finally, inform your contacts. Your iPhone will not automatically notify people. You may also need to update your number in other apps like WhatsApp or banking apps individually. The process is straightforward once your new carrier line is active on the device. For more simple iPhone setup tutorials, subscribe to the channel.